It seems that the car had a previous accident on this side. As you can see, that door is full of filler, and there was filler from here down. Hi, welcome back to CarsAddiction.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ryan and we share car-related content every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday is a short snippet of any car encounter I come across, and Sunday is a full-fledged video of a project I'm doing, any of my cars, or anything else car-related. Now for this week, we're going back to the Datsun 260Z, where last video I decided to paint the car myself. We removed all the trims off the car and we're in the process of removing the paint. Now, I'll be showing you how to remove the paint, but in the meantime, I want to decide, what color I should actually paint the car, because I'm actually undecided. So let's start. So we removed all the trims off the car. As you can see, there's no tail lights, badging, even door locks or windows, all have been removed. Now, if you're into the Datsun scene, black has never been introduced officially onto the car. There has been a special edition in America that has been black, but never in the European or Japanese. And since this is right-hand drive, that makes that. So the concern is whether should I leave it black as it is, repaint it black, or go to the original color, which was, as you can see, it was white. So why you should pick a white color for your car? Well, there's 4 reasons. Generally, white is easier to keep clean. So dirt doesn't show that much on a white car. The second reason would be, generally speaking, a white car has more presence on the road. The car looks bigger. Third reason would be that white car or any light color car would keep cooler in a hot climate. And 4, if you have a scratch on your body, it doesn't easily show because the primer is usually a light color. So if you have a scratch on a white car, you'd have to get up really close to see that. So those are the advantage of having a white car. So what about having a black car? Well, black cars are very sleek. The light bounces off quite nicely. I believe that they look better actually. But to keep clean is a bit of an issue. They get dirty easily. Once you clean them, that instant, the streaks on the, if you don't have a proper chamois, you can see the streaks on the bodywork, which can annoy some people. A black car is hotter in hot climates. Another actual advantage for a black car is that the defects don't show as much as on a lighter car. So if you have a bit of different colored blacks on the panel or some minor scratch or something like that, it won't show as much. So although black is harder to keep clean, this is not going to be a daily car. If it was a daily car, I might have gone for a silver, gray, or white, but I'm still stick with black. I think it really looks well suited on the Datsun, and I think I'm gonna go with black. But I do like to hear your comments below. Maybe you get to change my mind. Maybe I should go to the original color, or maybe I should go a different color completely. I would like to see what you want on the comments below. In the meantime, I'd like to show you guys the process I've been paint stripping the car. So we have this side is ready. We're just gonna continue on that front. So stripping off the paint of the car is quite simple. We have paint remover. This cost us about 31 euros for 5 liters. Not that cheap. I think we're gonna need a second one. We'll see. Obviously, if this touches your skin, it's gonna burn as hell. Trust me, I already tried it. It's important that we have gloves. Now, we're gonna start working on the roof, but when we're working on the side, you might wanna do a cardboard or anything like that because things get messy quick. So we're halfway through removing the paint. As you can see, this is how it was before and this is how it is now all over the car. The main goal is to actually remove everything to bare metal. So the next step is actually, since the paint remover can't remove most of the primer, that's the red stuff you see, we have to resort into sanding down so we can get to bare metal. That's going to take a bit of time, but the good preparation work will actually result in a better paint job in the future. So We're going to take our time with this step so that other steps have a good basis on to lay on. So let's continue with the process. So we are getting there slowly. As you can see, we got the major of paint off the car. There are some bits that we have to attend to, but everything is coming off quite nicely. So that is good progress here. What I guys want to show you is a up that I thought the car did not have. It seems that the car had a previous accident on this side. As you can see, that door is full of filler, and there was filler from here downwards. As you can see that there's been like a side swipe or something on this side. So what I'm going to be doing is removing all the filler. Unfortunately, that doesn't go off with paint remover, so I have to sand that down and see what exactly I have to deal with. So I'm guessing because of this, I'm going to have to delay the process because I don't do this work. I need to take it to someone. Hopefully they can book me within September. So that's fingers crossed for that, and that, you know, it comes out actually nicer. The damage didn't actually show when we bought the car. It was clean and smooth. So only when you actually start removing the paint, you know what actually the history the car had. And thankfully it's only just that, nothing major. Like I said, we used to have a spoiler here, and this is the main reason why we're painting. But apart from that, we have good fenders, a good hood, everything's great. Just this little minor sort of setback, but we should be okay. So be sharing an update of the Datsun later in the year when we get that fixed, and maybe it'll be under primer in another stage. If you'd like to see that, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification button below to get notified when that video goes out. Thanks for watching. Take care.